I'm going to do a quick video today to show you how we install the tank liner connectors to the liner. I've got a really quick way of doing it, so hopefully it helps you out at home. I've seen quite a few bad ones of these put in my time, so I thought it'd be nice to show you how we do it. It doesn't take long. Basic tools, normal screwdriver, sealant, power drill, Stanley knife. Okay, I think the most difficult part with these flanges is lining everything up. So before we take it off, what I like to do is make a few marks. One there, and another one just over here. So you'll see in a minute when it comes to putting this back on, we'll know exactly where this needs to go, so it's nice and easy to find the screw holes. That's been taken off, screws to one side, and basically this is important to make sure that this corner here is flush to the corner down in here. So you don't want to pull it, but you need to have a little bit of slack, but you don't want to have a gap like that. So when it fills up, obviously the water's going to push into that gap and it's going to split the liner eventually. So make sure it's nice and flat, hand at the bottom, pull it up over the top. Okay, so that's ready to go. So pull it back down, get your sealant. Now don't go mad with this stuff. Some people put too much glue on and it just makes a complete mess. You don't have to go too mad with it. Okay, so the bead's on. Now we pull the liner back up over. Remember, holding your hand at the bottom. And that gets fastened onto there. So make sure your drill is set at the softest setting. Line your marks that you made at the back and at the front. Get a screw. Okay, just tighten them up fairly tight, but not over tighten. Okay, now the first two screws are in. So get a Stanley knife, and we just cut that out. Nice sharp knife. Okay, pull that out. Now we take it back off. Next thing, a little bit of silicone on the front. Again, it's not too much, it's just a little bead. Get our marks. Just over there. Line them up. So I only use the drill just to get them in, and then we finish them off with just a hand drill, sorry, a hand screw. If you use that and it's a bit too powerful, it can actually pull the thread out. So just tighten them up nice and gently, and you'll see all the silicone start coming out the side, all the way around. Just a few turns so you feel it bite, and then I just smooth out the middle and then on the outside as well. Okay, and that's it really. Nice and smooth, nice and neat. Didn't take overly long and went in first time. So it's just a quick video of how we install the tank liner connectors. Doesn't take us that long. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let us know. Click the like button and also subscribe if you want to see more helpful hints and tips to make your pond journey a bit sweeter.